With a spring to my feet and joy in my heart as I make haste for school. Making friends, and having fun exploring. I love gym, stretching, and building my strength, balance, and coordination. Experiential, learning through hands-on activities and a well-balanced curriculum. I learn to be independent and pick up social and practical life skills. But mommy says it's very important I should have good character values. From creative problem solving with friends to imaginative play, the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, drama, dancing, and what I love best, swimming. Truly, ISMILE is my second home.